Good evening, everyone. The highlights of the news this Thursday. Traffic accidents. A Beaver County man is being held for murder. And more labor.
Alright, so as you guys know, we picked this Sierra up quite some time ago. It's just been sitting on the side of my house. To give you guys a backstory, this truck has been sitting for a really long time. I'm not sure exactly what's wrong with it. I just know it does not start. So to begin with, we don't even have a battery in here. So I'm gonna have to pop a battery in here and then just start from there with the diagnosing the reason why this thing won't fire up. But this truck came from a family member of mine. They just had it sitting for a long time and they gave it to my mom. So the only problem is this thing is rough, dude. Like, this thing is in terrible condition. While I don't necessarily have a bunch of like interior parts and stuff to fix this all up, I'm going to at least try to clean it the best that I can. Clean it, get rid of some junk. There's a lot of trash. This was just kind of a, from my understanding, this was a vehicle that just kind of like everybody borrowed, you know? They just used it to do whatever it is they needed to do. Nobody really took care of it or serviced it or anything or cleaned it, hell. So it just kind of went to shit, and one day it just stopped running and it just sat. And then it was offered to my mom, so till the day I showed up with my trailer, threw it on the back, and it's been sitting on the side of my house ever since. And now it's my freaking problem. So my mom's been asking about it. It has been sitting over there for quite some time. I have a lot of stuff going on around here. It's been really hard to just break off and work on this pile of shit, if I'm being honest. But anyhow, I'm gonna try my hardest to just kind of clean this thing up, make it look a little bit more presentable, blast off some of the dirt, get it running, and then my mom will have something to drive. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and throw a battery in here and see what it is we get. What in the world is going on here? Like, what the hell? Anyhow, I'm gonna throw a battery in there. The only thing I got is a Honda Civic battery, so it's gonna have to work. I heard a bunch of shit kick on. Yo, check this out. You don't have a battery tie down, so your battery bounces around and the positive terminal keeps grounding out on the fender. That's all right. Just cut the fender and bang it over out of the way, you know? Jesus Lord. Well, there's a blinker on. Oh my goodness, dude. Sounds like the starter. I hear it clicking, but it ain't doing nothing. Ugh. Hey there, buddy. I think that thing is still, look at all those spider webs going up there, bro. Jesus Christ. Son of a bitch. Goodbye. Freaking spider web looks like a bird's nest. Jesus Christ. Knock knock, anybody home? Holy freaking shit, dude. I definitely see the problem. What the hell? What happened to that? Oh my god. Dude, this whole starter is like cracked in half.
Really?
I swear to god. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's a chunk hanging off of it. There is one new looking ass bolt. I'm just gonna go ahead and disconnect that for now. Yeah, bro, this thing has been beat to hell, man. Look at all the freaking hammer marks in it. Hammer marks all down here. And then the casing is cracked, I'd assume, from hammering the living shit out. You know what's crazy is I don't even think the starter was bad. I don't think that's the reason why they had a hammer on it to actually get it to start. The signal wire, look at it. This thing was loose. The nut that holds the signal wire on was only on by like 2 threads. That eyelet for the wire was just loose in there, bouncing around. How much you want to bet, bro? That was probably what was wrong with the starter the whole time. I mean, until someone took a sledgehammer to it. But anyhow, moving on. We got a brand spanking new shiny one that we're gonna go ahead and throw in. So hopefully this is all that we're gonna have to do in order to get this thing to start. Alright, this starter does not fit. So if you look at the offset of this bolt pattern, it is not the same as the starter that came out of it. So these ones are still offset, but not as much as that. So what the hell, man? So this thing's gonna have to go back. But we do have this starter here. This is the one that a subscriber dropped off, Ernesto. That matches, but the only problem is this starter, the signal wire, is a clip. So this has a clip on the harness that plugs in, where this one has the stud and it bolts on. So I'm gonna have to probably solder this clip onto the wire underneath there. And yeah, anyhow, hopefully this starter is rigging good, but I don't know, I'm gonna figure something out, try to make this one work. All right, I got the damn thing on down there, so test fire. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Thank you, sir. Mucho appreciation. Where'd you put the keys at, Braven?
I don't know, bro.
What's up?
I'm running to the car.
Start it right up. Test the alternator. Hey, oh my god, it runs rough, dude. There it goes.
Oh, it's still running rough. Just a little bit. Idle rest.
Oh, it's gonna die.
What parking block? Oh my god, no. You don't think so?
No. There's nothing making this to a burnout.
Go ahead.
No.
Thing doesn't even have enough power. It doesn't even sound like it wants to idle right now. You're trying to do a burnout. Funny how you left the tailgate down so all the trash will fly out. Bro, what is that?
I think this is part of the steering wheel.
Oh my god, that's gross.
Like I'm turning and it's flopping.
Oh, that's all bad. Oh! Jack in the Box?
The seat's broken.
Bro, is that an orange pill in the middle? I think that's an orange pill.
Bro, this truck is almost beyond, like, cleanable.
Oh, you're gonna clean it. Oh man, it smells like cigarettes in here. Oh! A little something, something. He's gonna break it, bro.
Oh my god, the windshield's even cracked in 15 places.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that a bird feather? No. Oh my god. I don't. No, I don't. What? Dude, I don't think I've ever seen something this bad, bro. Dude. Okay. Alright. Oh, why didn't you tell me the tailgate was down? That's what I said when you drove all the damn. He's driving away. He left the tailgate down and let go of all the trash.
Dude, I floored it, bro. And none of this shit moved.
Nah, bro, it's stuck on there.
Oh, look, somebody did a fuel pump. Look at that. Ugh, wow. That's one way to do it. Well, my trash can is full, so hopefully the majority of this stuff back here is recyclable. I have no idea what is on that shoe. Bro, is this a heater right here? Somebody put it in the comments down below. This was in the, that was in there with an orange peel. Oh, you know what? I wonder if this is like to keep your drink warm. No, that's a freaking heater or something. I don't know, I'm thinking. What is this? Damn, son. Custom speaker wire. More of that dollar store shit that I just ripped out of the Blazer. I can't even get to the back. Like, it has this like third door right here, but the handle's broken. Ugh. Oh, what is that? I see something shiny. Oh, it's a belt buckle. Oh my god. Hey, there's the mirror. You know, like, how did that happen? Goodbye. Dude. What the hell? That's hard and crusty. That goes over there. Alright. Dude, I feel like this interior is hopeless, bro. Like, this would full-blown need, well, definitely new seats. Well, that, sure, I don't know about this one. It's got a cover on it, but it seems to be sitting straight. That one's, like, all bent. But, yeah, this center console needs to just go to the trash. It's missing the lid. Gauge cluster is all broken up. Dude, like, look at all that. What the hell? The back seat can maybe just be pressure washed. The carpet is, like, it's carpet, but it almost looks like a rubber mat because of how bad it is. It looks like those rubber mats that come inside of a truck, you know? I don't know, dude. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even want my camera in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys up and continue getting all this crap out of here. I'm almost done. So gross. Yeah, good luck with that. That wasn't helping. Goodbye there, Buttery Jack. The hell, man. Oh, look, there's a handle on the inside. Wow, look at there. What the hell? Jesus Christ. What is this? Mirrors. Goodbye. Oh, dude, I gotta put the gloves back on. I took them off because I thought I was done. God bless America. Here, it's for you.
Yeah.
God bless America, my friends. God bless America. Oh my goodness. Hey, this is probably good shit right here. Whoop. I wonder if this is another starter banger. This is another starter banger? Jesus. The hell happened to that? Goodbye. Ugh, what the heck is that? Oh, look at that, bro. Another shiny new bolt. I'll put this inside the glove box. Oh, hold up. We haven't even looked in the glove box. Wow. Dude, that looks like, you know, the barn finds. This glove box literally looks like a mouse was living in here. What the hell is all this shit? Look, a freaking... Got the manual. What's up, man? The hell is a brief relief? Dude, what in the hell? A disposable urinal bag? Bro, somebody was pissing in the truck? Bro, somebody was peeing in the truck. Look at that.
Better than a bottle.
Dude, it's got like sand in it or something. Bro, we gotta see what a brief relief looks like. There. What the hell does a disposable urinal look like, bro?
Oh, that's more than I thought it'd be. What the?
Dude. It's got a little antibacterial wipe. Is this for men and women? Dude, there's like something in there that absorbs it. What the fuck is this? I've never seen this before in my life, bro. No. No way. Oh my god. Do I throw those away or should I keep it, bro? Should I keep that? Oh my god. I'll leave it in there for my mom. Hey mom, I left those in there for dude. Oh, these are alcohol wipes. I thought these were the little hand wipes. Like, I was like, holy crap. Yeah, like as he's used these, he's just throwing the hand wipe in there. I'm not touching that steering wheel again. What the hell, bro? Holy crap. There's, what? We got Nelly. Here you go, there's a Nelly. There's a burner. And the hell's that? Scarface 2 or something? I don't freaking know. That shit's messed up. Does this thing even have a CD player? It does have a factory CD player. Okay. Alright, I see you. Oh shoot. Okay, I've determined that I don't even like, even if it does seem like it holds value, or maybe I shouldn't throw it away, just everything inside of this truck I am throwing away. All of it. Now that I've seen this disposable urinal, and obviously the hand wipes weren't used, it's all going in the trash, bro. Yo, you got that rubber trim for me, buddy? Thanks. For those of you who may not recognize who this is Jonathan.
What's up, buddy?
He's the yard guy, man. Most certainly hit him up. You need your yard done. You took that on full time now, huh?
Yep. Full
Shoot.
time. No more security. All landscape.
That's freaking dope. So yeah, man, small business, started it himself, and that's what he's doing full time now, which is dope. So most certainly, if you guys are local,
hit me up.
Yeah, hit him up to get your yard done. He just did mine. I've been struggling to get my grass to grow, but yeah, we all know. Yeah, it started getting a little green. I just need a, well, soon it's gonna be freaking winter time. I'm gonna hit you up. Maybe we.
Oh, so we put some seed down.
Yeah, I want some grass during the winter this year. I need winter grass this year. Damn it.
We can definitely do that.
Oh my god, dude, it's so bad, bro. It is so bad. What the hell is that?
Oh, I left that there.
You left it there? What is that, a mermaid? What is this? There you go, you can have it. Next yard service is on you because I gave that to you.
It's like a seahorse pig hybrid.
Dude, I've thrown away so many of these little freaking tools. Goodbye. Well, look at what I found. We got a potato chip, I think. No, orange peel. Look at that. A penny. A piece of broken glass, Phillips, and a flathead, and a freaking wedding ring, bro. Well, maybe not a wedding ring, but
Winner chicken dinner.
you trade that for some yard work.
Focus.
Now you get to see my struggle, bro. What's up? I told him as soon as I turned the camera off, bro. Did I just pick up? Oh, I thought that was a razor blade.
That would have been scary.
I was like, as soon as I turn the camera off, I'm gonna find a used condom or something. I'm like, what the fuck? Lord. Or a used tampon, which would be way worse than a used condom.
I agree.
Oh, it's so much worse when you're sweating. I feel like your pores are sucking this shit in. Ugh. I thought that was a Bible, but it's just a phone book. Dude. Oh, go away. Go away. Alright. So what do you guys say we just pressure wash this sumbitch out? I'm so serious, bro. So fucking bad. It's sofa king bad. Sofa king bad. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Yep, it's all there. All of it. Of course the ashtray has cigarette butts in it. Why wouldn't it? Ugh. Yes, I'm dead ass serious, bro. Dead ass freaking serious. Ugh. Yep, this is how you dump the trash, man. I gotta get something to wedge this door open. And we are going to town. Ta-da! buddy, we are going to let that just kind of soak in there for a little bit. You know, just let that super clean kind of do its job, you know? Like just you know, just break some stuff up. Ugh. Oh my God. Look at the color that's coming out over here. Holy shit. Looks like we just did an oil change. It's just dumping all over the ground, you know? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Good Lord. All right, we've let that sit for about 20 seconds. I'm just kidding. It's out for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna be using my tornado tip. Strongest tip I got, bro. Hopefully this tears some shit up. Splash in my face! Ah! Son of a bitch! Ugh, I hate it. Oh. The water is turning so many different colors. Like, there's like black, brown, white, like a yellowish cream. Oh my God. All right. I'm gonna regret that. Oh my God, dude. I got shit all over the seat. Oh, oh my God. Backfire. Oh my God. Bro, look at the gutter. Look at the gutter. Yeah. That is so fucking bad. Jonathan's like, I didn't sign up for this. Check this out. Oh yeah. Stand this thing up. There we go. Yummy. Fire in the hole. Dude, I'm gonna need a tetanus shot. That's the God, bro. I wish this side opened. I'm trapped in here, bro. Hell yeah. Oh, man. Oh shit, sorry. I feel like if I'm doing it, I may as well send it, you know what I'm saying? Like, try to get this shit as clean as possible. Bro, my eyes are burning. They're literally burning. Might be sweat, but dude, what the hell?
What the fuck, bro? What? Is that a sunflower seed? Oh, those are sunflower seeds. This thing has the worst of everything, bro. I hate sunflower seeds. No! We're running out of gas! No! Son of a bitch. Well, I mean, I guess I'll take a break. I most certainly wasn't enjoying myself. Oh my god! Okay, well. How was it? Terrible, bro. How much you pay me to lick my arm right now?
Probably not enough.
Come on, throw out a number.
Give you 50 bucks.
50 bucks to lick my arm?
50 bucks to lick your arm.
Hey, doggy, thanks for your help. I appreciate you. Hey, no paparazzi.
See you later.
What the hell? Later, brother.
Hey, buddy.
Whoa, bro, this guy said he's been doing little wheelies, man. That wasn't a little wheelie.
That was not.
I mean,
little wheelies like a little.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it wasn't no 12 o'clock, bro, but that was a freaking wheelie, dog.
That was too fast to go 12 o'clock. That was crazy.
Anyhow, I've went through 2 gas tanks already, just spraying the living shit out of this.
I don't need a bike.
No, you do not need a bike.
I would not know.
I don't even need a bike. Why do you think I never freaking ride Pops, bro? I'm gonna kill myself.
Dude, I have not want to act, bro.
Dude, I was trying to do a burnout on Pops out here in front of the house. Marcus was out here messing with his car. And boy, like it grabbed and jerked me like I almost wrecked Pops, bro. And I was like, man, I ain't trying to do that shit ever again. I didn't have my helmet on or nothing.
I wasn't even out here and I walked back out here and then Marcus was like, bro, Dad was trying to do a burnout, he almost wrecked the damn thing. And I was like, in what? He's like, the damn motorcycle. I was like, no, bro.
Oh, it's hilarious. Dude, I feel like I have soda all over me. It's so disgusting, but
I don't want to be around you.
anyhow, I'm just gonna keep on just blowing it out, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to a point to where hopefully the water comes out clear. And then I'm thinking I'm gonna drive this thing up to a car wash. Where'd Braven go? Freaking ditched me, man. Anyhow, I think I'm gonna drive it up to a car wash and use the car wash's vacuum to just suck as much of the damn water out as I can.
Don't start causing problems.
Yeah, fuel pumps always pick on me, why can't I pick on them? Take all the water out.
Right. You know, inside of vehicles are usually water resistant. You know what that means, right?
What?
Like, water's not gonna go inside the car, but it also means water's not gonna come out of it.
That's why I have it tilted.
No, no. I'm just being in the comment section because they're all gonna say it.
I know people are gonna hate this method. But
Oh, 100%, but it's okay.
The thing is,
Yeah, no, it was really bad.
I can't. There ain't no going down.
Yeah,
You can only go up.
yeah. I mean, we got some.
It is a lot better than what it was. I just need a vacuum.
not
And I
bad.
keep spraying that, and it just keeps turning into a dark brown puddle.
Bro,
Like it's just not going.
let's grab a tissue, a white tissue, and see what the water looks like.
I'm gonna soak up all the water.
All right,
I'm just gonna dab it up.
yeah.
Ronnie.
I wouldn't even probably touch it with your hands.
Oh yeah.
Oh, bro.
It's not as brown as I thought it was gonna be.
It is as brown as it is.
Yeah.
It's just really watered down.
It is what it is.
Yeah. Yeah,
You
man.
gonna throw that away?
No, bro.
We'll throw it away. Oh yeah, juicy. You know how nice it would be if this side opened up like the other side? This freaking 3-door thing is dumb. I mean, it does look a lot better.
It does. It don't smell much better, but it looks.
Yeah. The thing, like the carpet looked like a rubber mat before. It was so black. Like it was so black and like matted down. It just literally looked like a rubber mat, bro.
Now it just looks like it needs a regular cleaning.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Before
Yeah.
it was just way too far gone and you just kind of had to bust out the pressure washer.
Yeah. I mean, to really get down, I need to take all the seats out and pull the carpet and actually hang the carpet and do all that. But dude, I don't know. It's too much work for this thing, bro. Like,
Hire a detailer to come in.
yeah.
In the carpets.
Super clean, foaming. I bet. Wow, look at that. What do you guys think? Should I pull this interior for the truck or what? Purple, dog. Oh, I just remembered I need a brake switch. You know what's funny is I asked them up front, we're at Pull and Save North right now. I asked them up front if they had any S10s in this year, first gen. They said no. Oh my God. Of course, this has to be the hardest to get to. A dope ass little distribution block. Shoot. I gave up on that switch because the way this truck is leaning, bro, you can't open the door all the way. We'll find another one. So I got a list of Sierras and they put Yukons on here also, but I'm looking for a headlight for my mom's truck. So row 105, 64. I didn't see shit on 64, 67. I don't even know if Yukon and Sierra headlights look the same, but we're gonna find out. Probably not. Oh, that ain't it. 69, 67. Oh, that's 67. Really want a Z71 rack for the Suburban. Oh my God. I think we've seen our fair share of disgusting shit like that, huh? What is that thing? headlights there. Nothing, nothing, and nothing. Damn, bro. Another Z71 rack, though. I want one of those for the Suburban so bad, but it's just not worth it. It's not. Oh my God. Tell me you're not an Arizona car without telling me you're not an Arizona. No. This motherfucker's screaming that I'm not an Arizona car. Anyhow, I really want one of those Z71 racks, but it's just not worth it to me. It's not that worth it. I have other things that are more important. Really nice seats though. I wonder if the drive, no, it looks like I see foam sticking out. Nice. Oh shit. Yep, no bueno. It's not like I was gonna get them anyway. Can you imagine? Doing a leather interior swap in the Suburban, guys. Hell yeah. Oh, hold up. My interior is leather. Well, pleather, whatever. Wow. Mark it after. Alright, next junkyard. Wow, this one's got a Range Rover. It's missing a window. Is this supposed to be nice? Freaking fancy, bro. Freaking fancy. There's a jug of piss in the back seat, but you know, okay. Anyhow, they have a 2006 Sierra, 2002 Sierra, a 2007 Sierra. I think only the 2002 is going to be the same front end as my mom's truck. And then they only have one S10, and it is a Blazer. What the hell? It shows they have two. You know, an 89 Blazer, row 91, and a 93 S10, which is row 14. So let's go find them. Mobbing, bro. Oh, this is row 2. Supposed to have an 06 and an 02 Sierra, white and gray. I just went down this once. I didn't see them. Yukon. Oh, probably that. Lovely. Yeah, that's it. Shit. No front end. Damn, bro. LS in it. Look, 706 heads. Damn. 706 heads, sucker. Sent out the Brave and he wants 706 heads for his truck. Give my bag back. Moving on. The other one's supposed to be white, which is probably, yeah, it's that one. Son of a bitch. No headlights. What I want more than anything is a damn headlight, because the passenger side headlight in my mom's truck is trashed. Lovely. Someone took the seat covers. Alright, row 14, 93 S10, black. Oh, bro. That is all shit, bro. Like literally rat shit, bro. Oh my god. I set my bag on there. Ugh. Well, that brake switch is broken. Alright, moving on. I finally found where 68 and I think 91. It says this only goes up to 90, but these are in the premium section. And I'm also starting to realize something. I think somebody comes through and buys all of the headlights, bro. Because every truck that I have found, not a single one of them have headlights. Like, look at all these. Like, screw Sierras. I mean, every one of them. All the headlights are gone. Probably one of those Instagram accounts that puts all the freaking LEDs and shit in them. Dude, there's no headlights at all. This is supposed to have a 2007 Sierra, white. Which is probably this. It's a different front end for sure. It's gotta be. Maybe this one. Yeah, I think this was it. God, it stinks over here. What the hell? All right, one more. It's supposed to be like an 89. Yeah, 89 S10 Blazer on row 91, and it's gray. And this map only shows that it goes up to row 90, so I don't know what that means. Guess we just go all the way down to 90, see what we see. Oh, they've extended it. 91 and 92. Holy crap, bro. There it is. They try to make this a K5, cut the top of it off. Main thing I'm looking for is seats, bro. Like, I want another set of seats, because I just don't like the way those Subaru seats sit inside of my truck. But let's check. CNS Towing, lost will be back. What the hell? The damn brake switch is gone. This is crazy looking for this shit. That's a cool steering wheel. Well, no luck at this junkyard either. Oh look, another old vehicle. Bro, I can't believe out of all the damn trucks inside of this junkyard, there's not a single Sierra that has a set of headlights, bro. And then I found a guy on Marketplace that's selling a set, and he's just not responding. He read the message. I'm like, hey bro, when are you available for me to pick this up? He reads the message and then that's it. That was hours ago. So he has no intentions of responding to me, I guess. Yeah, we'll have to try again some other time. I definitely need to find a headlight for that damn truck. Well, we are back at the house, and I was an absolute freaking failure today. I tried the two main junkyards that I go to, and they had absolutely nothing that I was looking for, man. I think that someone goes to the junkyard and found a handful of Sierras, but none of them had headlights, and like none of them had grills. So, I mean, the grill, I'm sure I could probably just kind of screw it up there. I don't know. I would like to find a grill and a headlight. I think that would really make the truck look a lot more presentable. I mean, the headlight is a must. This thing is busted all to shit. Yeah, and so is the grill. Anyhow, yeah, I'm just trying to do my best to clean this thing up and make it like halfway presentable. The carpet and everything still looks pretty freaking gross, I'm not gonna lie, but it definitely is a lot better than what it was. Thing almost looks like a pirate ship, bro. But it is what it is, man. My mom wants this thing, and she gave me the task of cleaning it up and getting it running, of course. So we at least got it running today. I'm going to probably first thing tomorrow morning go and hit a few other junkyards that we didn't go to today. I think the headlight is obviously the main thing that it needs. There's a lot of other stuff it needs. Door panels, hell, seats. Figure out why none of the damn door handles work. But I mean, to be honest with you guys, I don't have a bunch of money to dump into this damn thing. I'm just gonna do the best that I can with what it is I've got. I figured I could at least swing picking up a headlight for it. But other than that, I am also wanting to find a set, like if I can find a set in good condition, a factory set of seats for the Blazer. Because even though I lowered this one, like don't get me wrong, dude, these seats are like really comfortable. It's just the sitting position seems so weird, bro, and it's because these seats, I don't think the bottom of them is obviously designed to like go over a trans tunnel, and I think the factory seat still sat a whole hell of a lot lower than what these are. Like, dude, whenever I'm sitting in here, I just, even though this one's lowered, I feel like my head is touching the damn ceiling inside of this thing. I'd like to get the sitting position down lower. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and make another trip out to a couple more junkyards. See what we can find, bro. Maybe I can find somebody that wants to go with me. But anyhow, I know it wasn't the most excitingest content in the world, but just something that I needed to get done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That thing was an absolute disgusting mess. So I'm gonna pick back up tomorrow. We're gonna be going to the junkyard. Stay tuned for that. Peace, and I'll see you then.